Mabuhay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, you will witness the love triangle drama that will test the strength of friendships. As the secrets are revealed, hearts are broken, and relationships are put to the test. One question remains. Will their bonds of friendship will be enough to stand the challenge of love? Let's dive into the story of Harry, Ken, Judy, and Chloe, and see how their lives will be forever changed by the power of love and friendship. Will they find love, or will they lose friendship? The journey begins now, and you won't miss a single moment of our Canta Serio. Welcome to Billion National High School. I'm Dessa Lumatas Bumunit, your principal. Today, we will celebrate our 10th anniversary of our school, where the students are free to wear sweater. But, if bawal magulo, so if manggulo kayo, you will be eliminated. Yes, so let's enjoy!
Tagay! Wala mo ba? Yes.
While the students are having fun, there's something revelations will happen about Harry and Ken. Ano nga ba ito?
Malasing tayo, hindi pa sinisisi, pinagagaling sa'yo. Pare, pag-usapan natin to, wala namang pababago sa pagtingin ko sa'yo, ngunit kaibigan lang.
What? Is this true? Harry's in love with Ken? What a revelation! Judy, a childhood friend of Harry, was sad at her heart broke as she realized her love and care and efforts meant nothing for his childhood friend Harry. Tears streamed down in her face as she wondered why he never noticed his feelings. Oh, so sad! The plot thickens. Ken's hidden feelings for Judy are about to be revealed. OMG! Will she accept his love? Will she find happiness with the one who has been her life?
Kung ako basta mamahalin mo, ano bang meron siya? Nawala ako. Kung ako basta pakansinin mo, kung ako basta ibigin mo.
Judy was shocked because she knows that her best friend Chloe has crushed on Ken long time ago. Oh no! Pag-alab Carl! Ano ka bang nangyari dito? Nagugulo siya na ako!
Nagtataka kung saan ka ba nagkamali o nakulpa. Ang
Sa likod ng hibat totoo nga, ang pagkakaibigan nilang Chloe at Harry ay nasa alaman. Makakayanan ka nila ang sakit na pagdudusa o kanilang samihan ay talang tuluyang masira na. Oh, so sad.
Puso ang siyang magsasabi ay kahati ng aking kaluluwa. Kahit pa hindi sabihin ay naman ang puso na ikaw ay ako. Wagas na pag-ibig ay di maglalaho. Sorry, Bes. Hindi ko kaya nang mawala ka. Marirealize ko na mas matibang ang pagkakaibigan natin ko para sa ibang bagay. Bes, hindi ko na kailangan ko. Sorry. Mahal na mahal kita, Bes.
Nandito lang ako para sa iyo, Mari. Susuportahan natin ang ating pagkakaibigan.
Sorry, hindi natulak ako. Sana magkaibigan pa rin tayo.
Chloe, hindi ko alam na ganun pala tingin mo sa akin. Ipasensya mo na.
So, matagal ngayon. Ang pagmatagal ngayon, okay na tayo. And so,
Best friends forever!
between Harry, Finn, and Judy, Chloe comes to a close, leaving us with the lessons of hope, and we will remember that the true love and friendship can be overcome in the obstacles. Then cut! Wow! May mga natin na tayo sa sunod! Sure, may mga sa atin, so let's go!
Happy 10th anniversary, Hilton Hotel! Your home